Have we been learning in the simple grammar class on prepositions in our class 1 and class 2? The simple prepositions and the advanced prepositional phrases. So what are we unfolding now? The directional words. Very, very important. Whenever you are doing a listening part or the writing task 1, explaining the maps or doing the listening of map questions, these prepositions, these directional words are extremely important. So let's recapitulate the common prepositions: before, after, during, since, until, till, for, in, on, at. The prepositions of phrases and direction: above, below, next to. Now these are the words which we will be executing in our writing task or maybe following them in the listening part. So very, very important. Give your full attention whenever you are here in the session. So one more time, prepositions of place or directions. Those are above, below, next to, near, behind, in front of, between, opposite, and across from. Let's dig little deeper into the context. The locational prepositions, the directional words. Past. A new cycle lane runs past the supermarket. Beyond. A parking lot is located beyond the bus station. Visualize the sentences to have a command on what you're learning. Further or further along. The cave is located further along the main road. Opposite. The school was built opposite the park. Across or across from. A new shop was constructed across from the hospital. Adjacent to. A sitting area was developed adjacent to the fountain. Along. Trees were planted along the river. Across. The post office is situated across the road from the bank. Just past. The restaurant is located just past the bridge. Leading to. A footpath leading to the lake was constructed. Connected to. The car park is connected to the main road via a small lane. In line with. A new row of houses were built in line with the existing structures. Runs through. A canal runs through the center of the map. Parallel to. A pedestrian path, that means footpath. A pedestrian path runs parallel to the main street. At the far end of. A picnic area was added at the far end of the park. Towards. A new road was constructed towards the northern side. I will be coming up with some more notes on some more contextual direction words so that you don't get confused with your writing and listening areas. Happy learning.